Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert audio in Google Slides. So if you want to do it, first you need to open your presentation, and after that you need to select the slide where you want to insert an audio. So for example, I select first one slide, and then I need to go to Google Drive and drag and drop file with the sound. When it will be uploaded, we need to go back to Google Slides, and here we need to go to Insert tab and we need to go to Audio. Now on my drive we need to find the sound which we want to add, so I select this one sound and I click Insert button. After that, this window should be displayed here and you will see here the icon with the speaker. So let's check now how it works. We need to start a slideshow here, so I select here option start from beginning, and after that first slide will be successfully displayed here, and if you want to play your audio you need to click on this one icon or click on this icon with play button, then it will be played, but of course it will be added only on the first slide, yeah? So how you see it really works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.